Hi, Rao here for Graphic Cleaner, and in today's video we will see how you can change your photo into cartoon image
like this.
So to get started,
Let's go to Play Store or App Store. Search for ToonMe and you'll get this app. Click on Get to install, then click Open. Scroll down and pick your favorite templates. I'm going to select this. Then select the photo you want to change. Click on this arrow to continue. As you can see, our image have been changed. Now to get this image, click on this option icon and it will take you to this place. You have the option to share your photo on social media or save it directly to your phone. Once you finish saving it, navigate to your photo library to see the saved photo. In the same way, you can also try out different templates to get different results.